pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use. You have the NFL Pass. Pretty much keeps you up to date as it relates to this sport here. As you can see here, it does give you a few videos which you can watch and a few channels which does offer previews of this game. Not just NFL, soccer, all the type of sports you pretty much find on this application here. So I'm currently not signed in or signed up or anything like that, but if you want to get the full experience of this application here, you may need to sign in or sign up. So here you have the score section. This is pretty much where you check scores of matches, pretty much football, NFL, pretty much every sports out there. Pretty much can find scores as it relates to this application here. As you can see at the top, you have other leagues as it relates to football, Bundesligas, La Liga, pretty much everything. You can see matches that played yesterday, their scores, and as well matches that's going to be played tomorrow, as well as Friday 16th, which is tomorrow, as you can set for. And also down here, you have the schedule section. You have other matches that's going to be played and matches that have been played before. You have the all sports section here. As you can see here, the highlight section, which you can also watch. And if I do tap on this option here, I will be able to watch the highlights for this match here. And as well, you can see down here the players and as well the ball positions, the lineup of persons who have pretty much played in match, and also the substitute. Pretty much everything to the details for this application here. Not just football, all types of sports, guys. Boxing, you have the football, you have the NFL, as you can see here, all of them. Pretty much gives you updates on everything. And as well, you can tap on the sports option over here. Let's say you want something even more specific, and you can pretty much find everything here. You have the chess option here, just tap on the chess option here, and you'll be able to get updates as it relates to chess, matches being played, the latest ones being played, pretty much everything, guys. It is crazy. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. Very, very good application if you want to keep up to date with a lot of sports, then this application is for you. So if you do tap on the subscription for this one here, as you can see here, there's some schedule as it relates to NFL games and so forth. Nothing much for that. But if you do want to get your subscription for this application here, you may need to sign up to be able to get your subscription or to even see your subscription page. I won't be able to show you that section as it relates to your subscription and so forth. But to get even more access, pretty much have to get your plus subscription, as you can see down here and so forth. So that's really pretty much it for this. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. Obviously, if I can help you. See you in the next one.